everyone. My name is Shonaya Sahni, and today we're going to be learning about fractions, a part of a whole. So, in this topic, we will learn what fractions are, the parts of a fraction, types of fractions, equivalent fractions, simplifying fractions, and fractions in everyday life. What are fractions? A fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole or a part of a group. Examples: one slice of a pizza, half of a chocolate bar, one piece of an apple. One example of a fraction is 1 by 4. This means 1 out of 4 equal parts. A key point is that all parts must be equal in size. The parts of a fraction. Example: 3 by 5. The number of parts being considered or shaded is the numerator, which in this case is the number 3. The total number of equal parts is the denominator, which in this case is number 5. The number on top is the numerator, while the number below is the denominator. Example: if 3 out of 5 slices of a pizza are eaten, the fraction is 3 by 5. Types of fractions. There are three main types of fractions. Number 1, proper fractions, in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Example: 3 by 5, 2 by 3, 1 by 4. Number 2, improper fraction. The numerator, which is the number on top, is greater or equal than the denominator. For example, 7 by 4, 8 by 3, 4 by 2. Number 3, a mixed number. A whole number and a fraction together. For example, 1 3 by 4 or 2 3 by 7. What are equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions look different, but they represent the same value. For example, 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 4 by 8. Or 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. Here's a tip. Multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number to create equivalent fractions. For example, 1 by 2. So multiply the numerator by 2, which is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And multiply the denominator by 2 as well, which is 4. So the equivalent fraction is 2 by 4. Do the same thing again. So the equivalent fraction of 2 by 4 will be 4 by 8. Simplifying fractions. Simplifying means writing a fraction in its lowest terms. So the steps to do this are: number 1, find the greatest common factor, the GCF. Step number 2, divide the numerator and denominator by the GCF. For example, 12 by 16. Divide both by 4 as 4 is the greatest common factor. The answer is 3 by 4. Now you must remember, the value of the fraction stays the same. Fractions in everyday life. Where do we use fractions? Well, you might not know it, but fractions are everywhere. Like when you share a pizza, or cutting a cake, or maybe when you read your reading time. Did you know half an hour is 1 by 2 of an hour? Or maybe when you measure ingredients while cooking, when you shop, and when you measure lengths. Here's an example. If a pizza has 8 slices and you eat 2 slices, you ate 2 by 8. So, how can you simplify 2 by 8? That's simple. Find the greatest common factor, which in this case is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 2 by 8 simplifies to 1 by 4. Here's a short summary. Today we learned what fractions are, the parts of a fraction, types of fractions, equivalent fractions, simplifying fractions, and how fractions are used in everyday life. Here, think about it. Can you name 3 places where you use fractions in your daily life? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more math lessons. Like and subscribe and comment down below what other topics you want to be explained.